He was listening.
Yeah, stopped at Olive Garden on the way into town. I love that place. You know, their slogan is, when you're here, you're family. And it is true. They do treat you like family. Especially my family. Rude as shit. Am I right?
Where he's gonna be?
Yeah. So make sure to tune in tonight around 7 p.m. We got stand-up comedy here at the Angry Irishman in Ames, Iowa.
Catch it all on the Cowboy Channel.
Or the teeth through the gums. Look out, Tommy. Here it comes.
I'm Ben Foster with the Angry Irishman in Ames, Iowa, and you're watching Backpens and Beyond.
Willie, you go for a ride? You go for a ride? Come on. Willie, come on. Let's go for a ride. Ready? Hey, you ready to go for a ride? Hey, what's up everybody? Fans of Backpens and Beyond, thanks so much for joining us. What an absolute blessing it is to be here. And what a beautiful day in Northwest Iowa. Just passed through the booming metropolis of Everly, home of the Everly Cattle Feeders, 1966 girls basketball state champions. Here with the co-pilot, or she likes to call herself the passenger princess, and the passenger prince. Paige, tell everybody, well, first of all, say hello to your fan, your YouTube fan.
Hey, Sheila.
You gotta do better than that. I can cut this, I can edit it, but you need to say, hey, I just want to say hi to my #1 fan in Meeteetse, Wyoming, Sheila Hagen. The matriarch of the Fiddleback Ranch.
Sheila.
Paige, participate. You have to participate in this.
I don't want to.
Tell everybody what the plan is here today.
Hey, Sheila, my #1 YouTuber fan. I'm so glad I could finally pop on and say a quick hello. Shout out to you, Sheila, and happy birthday. Cut. We are headed to Cherokee, Iowa, to the ranch to pick up Miles Jones's wonderful little pickup, to meet him in Omaha, Nebraska at the Omaha airport. Then we will be heading to Springfield, Nebraska to something rodeo.
To the something rodeo. The Tangier Shrine.
There you go. There
I'm
you
not
have it, folks.
I'm not even sure if that's how you say it. What do you think, Willie?
He said, shut this down.
Cut.
The people of Nebraska take great pleasure in things that are a little, shall we say, unusual, unorthodox, atypical. We know some people won't share our interest in these peculiar passions, but you might. So let's get together. You'll find us somewhere just off the beaten path and a little outside the norm. Nebraska, honestly, it's not for everyone.
It's like go all the way to the end down here and take a right. Well, when I got down there, it's a security check, and that mother was 10 miles long. We weaved in and out and around and through that shit. But right before, then right after that, he's like, it's a full flight today, ladies and gentlemen. So they are on group like 4 or 5 to load this plane, and the guy already comes on the intercom and is like, we're running out of overhead storage space. And I'm like, are you kidding me?
So you had to hold your stuff in your lap the whole time?
No, right before the lady started closing up the overhead storage bins, I saw one that had a little bit of room. Looked like it had a little bit of room left in it. So I crammed that bitch on in there.
Oh,
Right here.
a perfectly executed airport pickup.
Flawless execution.
Flashers on, pile in. Hey, how was the flight, Jones?
It sucked.
Perfectly executed airport pickup. Only one U-turn, as my dad would say, taking the scenic route.
Oh, you got a spitter ready for me.
Yeah, I knew you'd probably need that. We're lucky. There is a Casey's right around the corner. I'm gonna get this.
So, what did I do wrong for all these people that travel so much? I couldn't text. I couldn't do anything while I was up in the air.
Well, that's good. Did you have it on airplane mode?
Yeah, and then I took it off.
Oh no,
And
you
then-
need to have it on airplane mode. That's the only way you can send text. That's what it's there for.
No, that's what I'm saying. I took it off because it wasn't working with it on.
No, that's what you did wrong. You have to leave it. You probably weren't at the right altitude. You have to get so high and have it be on airplane mode before you'd be able to text.
Well, I tried everything, and it wouldn't do anything. So, oh well.
Well, probably weren't connected. You don't have American Rewards, I don't guess.
No. It's been like 5 years since I've flown on a plane.
For 2 long years, my head hurt bad, so the doctor checked me and he shook his head. He said, I'm sorry to tell you, but your body's outlived your brain. He said, I know this doctor in New York, son, and he'll fix you right up with a brand new one. So the head doctor met me when I stepped down off of the train. He said, we had this bank robber killed last night. His body shot, but his brain's all right. I'll give you a transplant, boy, and you'll be okay. I got my new brain in and I was feeling great. I went right back to Nashville with no headache, but something strange happened when I walked in the bank one day. I said, stick 'em up, everybody, I'm robbing this place. Drop all of your money in my guitar case. Don't nobody move and don't nobody reach for that.
Jordan Moore, brother of Luke Moore. Jordan, you made a comment earlier today about something about the 2 Moore brothers. What was it?
Well, I'm better looking than my older brother, but who knows?
Who's handier working on stuff?
Oh, probably my brother on that.
Probably Luke. Okay. What about who's handier with livestock? Because I know you've got some horses that you ride. Who's handier with livestock?
Probably my brother, because he's been around a bit.
I disagree, Jordan. I think you are definitely better.
Well, I don't know, but
That is it's a bold move wearing your Iowa Hawkeyes jacket here in Ames, Iowa, at Iowa State. It's just Cyclone Nation.
Hey, but it is, but I gotta go with a Caitlin Clark on this one.
Okay, okay. Cut. Do you have anything else you want to say on camera?
Not yet, but I probably will.
What do you want to say?
Well, later I will.
What do you have to say later that you can't say right now?
Well, if you guys want to come out and enjoy a nice performance, you guys can come out at the doors open at 6 and the perf is at 7, and we will see you guys tonight.
Love that.
All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash.
Standing. This place is so cool.
It is a cool place. The Shriners definitely have a pretty good set. They do a pretty good job.
Backpens are awesome. Great facilities. Yeah, even though I will say, historically, I've been more of a prefert man. I'll see enough. You don't hit people. Do you have anything that you want to say to the world? Well, that is captivating, compelling content.
I got a question for you. Who's your favorite brother, Lyle or Martin?
Now remember, before you answer, this is going to be on video for when you guys are grown up. Who is your favorite brother?
Both of them.
That's a pretty political answer.
What'd she say?
She said both of them.
Both of them. Good job, Els.
Very superstitious writings on the wall. Very superstitious letters about to fall. 13-month-old baby broke the looking glass. 7 years of bad luck. You could think in your past. When you believe in things that you know.
You know, there's so many things that are important to us. The Rodeo Cowboys, our Shriners, our sponsors, the personnel. But folks, there's a group of athletes that I think it's time that we introduce right quick, because you may not know this. But the livestock behind the scenes, they are the lifeblood of the Great American Cowboy. We just want to introduce to you the superstars of